Hey guys, Christian here, Heart and Hustle, where we teach you how to make money with your creativity and go out and live a kick-ass life. In this week's video, I just wanted to show you what the last 20 years of my life has done for me as far as being a creative, putting skills, and taking on new projects and always saying yes and doing the best that I can. I'm so excited to show you. This is probably the christening of all the work that I've done for the last 20 years. But I look forward to what's happening from this point forward. One of the tools and the tips and the responsibilities that I teach people is the fact that anything that's happened up until now doesn't matter. Good, bad, or mediocre, it doesn't matter. All that matters is what's going to happen from this point forward. I look forward to seeing you at the very top. Stay till the very end from a special message from DJ Khaled and enjoy. I appreciate you watching that video. I look forward to seeing what comes in the next 20 years from now. And if there's any of you guys out there that want to make the transition from wishing, wondering, and hoping into going out there and producing dollars for yourself using your skills and creativity, check out MakeMoneyWithYourCreativity.com. That's my coaching program. I basically made it specifically for me. Had I known this when I was 17 and starting, I would have saved 30 years of bullshit. And that's the point of my organization, is to cut through the bullshit and put you on the fast track now. I look forward to your progress, and I'll see all of you guys at the very top. Peace.
And this is food. Guess what? And I try to tell the young world, I don't know why they're not telling them.
Yeah.
It costs money to eat.
Right.
So guess what you got to do? You got to get money.
Yeah.
See, you know, it makes me mad that people try to discourage people from getting money. Like it's a problem. I didn't create the system.
Right.
I mean, if it was free, I would thank you. You know what I'm saying? And then, so what I'm trying to say is we have to hustle. We have to get money. Like, you know, teach the young world, work hard, strive hard. It's okay. I remember when I was young, they told me, Khaled, you only gonna get a Hyundai. So I went and bought a Phantom.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying? Like,
So
you know what I'm trying to tell you? Like, that's what I'm saying. If you want to wear a dope sneaker, what's wrong with wearing a dope sneaker? Oh, it costs money? Okay.
Right.
Great. Work hard. Like, what's
But they
the
don't
problem?
want us to wear dope sneakers.
Nah.
They don't. That's the major key. They don't want us to. So I'm letting you know straight up. They don't want Big Boy to have the #1 morning show in the country.
God damn it.
You know what I'm saying? But guess what? We got the #1 show in the country.